Imagine a place where the excitement of towering water slides meets the charming ambience of a German-themed resort. Families can splash, slide, and create lasting memories in this place against a backdrop of distinctive architecture and a festive atmosphere. This was the promise of Schlitterbahn Kansas City, a water park that made a splash upon opening and offered an unforgettable aquatic adventure. It fulfilled that promise for a time, attracting visitors with its innovative attractions and unique style. However, like a wave that crests and then recedes, the story of Schlitterbahn Kansas City took a tragic turn, ultimately leading to its closure. Today, we will explore this once popular water park's captivating yet cautionary tale, examining its ambitious beginnings, moments of glory, and the devastating events and decisions that led to its downfall. Prepare for a story of innovation, ambition, and the harsh realities of safety and accountability in entertainment. The Schlitterbahn story began in 1979 in New Braunfels, Texas, with the opening of the original Schlitterbahn Water Park Resort. Founded by the Henry family, the Texas park quickly gained a reputation for its unique integration with the natural landscape, utilizing the calm waters of the Canal River and Spring Run. Combined with thrilling and often record-breaking water attractions, this innovative approach established Schlitterbahn as a distinctive player in the water park industry. Building on the success of the Texas park, the Henry family sought to expand their unique brand of water-based fun. In 2009, Schlitterbahn Kansas City opened its gates in Kansas City, Kansas. This new park aimed to replicate the winning formula of its Texas counterpart, offering a blend of innovative water rides, family-friendly attractions, and a distinct German theme as a nod to the family's heritage. Schlitterbahn Kansas City quickly made a name for itself with its impressive array of water slides and attractions. Among its signature rides was the Verrückt, a towering water slide that, upon its opening in 2014, was certified as the world's tallest water slide. The sheer scale and thrill of the Verrückt garnered national attention, positioning Schlitterbahn Kansas City as a destination for adrenaline junkies and water park enthusiasts alike. In addition to the headline-grabbing Verrückt, the park featured a variety of other attractions designed to appeal to a wide range of visitors. These included family-friendly raft rides, wave rivers, and dedicated areas for younger children. The German theme was subtly integrated throughout the park's design, with areas named Kinderberg for children and architectural elements reminiscent of German villages. While this theming wasn't as immersive as some theme parks, it added a unique flavor to the Schlitterbahn experience. For several years, Schlitterbahn Kansas City enjoyed a period of popularity, attracting visitors from across the region eager to experience its innovative rides and family-friendly atmosphere. The park contributed to the local economy and provided seasonal employment opportunities. The Henry family's reputation for pushing the boundaries of water park design was on a successful trajectory in this new location. However, the narrative of Schlitterbahn Kansas City took a dark and irreversible turn on August 7, 2016. On that day, Caleb Schwab, the 10-year-old son of Kansas State Representative Scott Schwab, tragically died while riding the Verrückt. The details of the incident were horrifying. Caleb was decapitated when the raft he was riding went airborne and struck a safety netting support pole. The immediate aftermath of Caleb's death sent shockwaves through the community and in the water park industry. Investigations were launched, and the safety of the Verrückt and the park's overall safety protocols were scrutinized. The Verrückt was immediately shut down, and the rest of the park operated under a cloud of grief and uncertainty. Investigations into Caleb's death revealed a disturbing pattern of safety concerns and alleged negligence in the design, construction, and operation of the Verrückt. Reports surfaced of previous incidents and warnings about the ride's safety, suggesting that the potential for a catastrophic event was known or should have been known. In March 2017, a grand jury indicted Schlitterbahn Kansas City and several individuals, including Jeffrey Henry, co-owner of Schlitterbahn and the ride's designer, on charges ranging from involuntary manslaughter to aggravated battery. These indictments painted a picture of a company that allegedly prioritized speed and thrill over safety, resulting in fatal consequences. The legal proceedings that followed were complex and emotionally charged. Ultimately, criminal charges against the company and individuals were either dropped or resulted in acquittals, mainly due to legal technicalities and evidentiary issues. However, the court of public opinion had already delivered a harsh verdict. The tragic death of Caleb Schwab and the subsequent revelations about the safety of the Verruc severely damaged the reputation of Schlitterbahn Kansas City. Public trust in the park eroded, and understandably, many families became hesitant to visit. Attendance plummeted in the seasons following the incident. Beyond the immediate aftermath of the tragedy, Schlitterbahn Kansas City faced additional challenges. The water park industry is highly competitive, and maintaining a facility with aging infrastructure and a damaged reputation proved to be a significant financial burden. The Verruc, once a major attraction, remained permanently closed, serving as a stark reminder of the devastating event. In 2019, Texas-based Cedar Fair Entertainment Company acquired the Schlitterbahn water parks in New Braunfels and Galveston. Still, the Kansas City Park was not included in the deal. This exclusion left the future of Schlitterbahn Kansas City even more uncertain. In November 2020, the owners of Schlitterbahn Kansas City announced that the park would not reopen for the 2021 season, and that the land would be redeveloped. This decision marked the official end of the water park's brief and tragic history. The Verruc, which had once been a record-breaking symbol of the park's ambition, was eventually dismantled. The Verruc waterslide was once the tallest in the world, standing at 169 feet and enabling riders to reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, according to The Atlantic. The accident that occurred on the slide raised concerns about the park's safety protocols and highlighted the inadequate engineering oversight during the ride's construction, as reported by the New York Times. This incident significantly altered public perception of Schlitterbahn and raised questions about safety standards in theme parks. The story of Schlitterbahn Kansas City serves as a sobering reminder of the critical importance of safety in the entertainment industry. Pursuing thrills and innovation must always be balanced with a commitment to guests' well-being. The devastating consequences of alleged negligence and a failure to prioritize safety can have irreversible and tragic outcomes, not only for the victims and their families, but also for the reputation and viability of the business itself. The fall of Schlitterbahn Kansas City is a cautionary tale for the entire amusement park industry. It underscores the need for rigorous safety protocols, thorough testing and inspection of rides, and a safety culture permeating every level of operation. The memory of Caleb Schwab serves as a tragic reminder of the human cost when safety is compromised. Although Schlitterbahn Kansas City may be gone, its story leaves a lasting impact. It emphasizes entertainment providers' profound responsibility for their patrons' safety and well-being. The park's legacy is ultimately overshadowed by sorrow and a stark lesson in accountability. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.